Hi everyone, I'm Caesar and welcome to this tour of another amazing accommodation in the heart of the city, just across from the campus. So let's check out the Glassworks. Here you can see one of the lovely fully furnished bedrooms. At Glassworks, the flat comes with either 4, 5 or 6 bedrooms, and each bedrooms come with its own ensuite. The kitchen comes fully equipped with cleaning supplies, fridge freezer, lots of appliances, hub oven or microwave. You even got some pans provided by them. A lovely dining area with a TV and really comfy sofas. One of the best things at Glassworks is the on-site cinema room. Whether it's a movie night with your friends or a solo movie session, it's a place great for entertainment and having fun. There's also a karaoke machine. Next up is the communal lounge, a great place to socialize, make new friends, and unwind after a long study day. In this room, you'll find a big TV, really comfy seats, and a free pool table. Of course, university life is about studying too. The Glassworks provide really quiet rooms where you can focus on your work, whether alone or in a group. Staying active is really important, and here at Glassworks, you don't even need a gym membership. In the fitness studio, you got plenty of machines, so you'll have a great workout. Security is a priority here at Glassworks, with CCTV coverage and on-site 24/7 security team. But you also got bike storage, laundry room, and many other perks as well. Thanks for joining me on this tour and hope you'll find an amazing home for your student living.